In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create subtasks in Jira to speed up sprint planning. This process is incredibly useful as it allows you to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable work items, saving you valuable time during your sprints. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Jira settings. Once there, you'll select System. This is where the groundwork for our automation will be laid. Next, you'll want to look for the Automation section, and from there select Global Automation. This is an essential step because global automation rules in Jira let you apply changes across multiple projects, making your workflow more efficient. Now you're ready to create your rule. You'll find the option Create Rule within this section. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose a trigger. Triggers are events that your automation rule listens for, kicking off the series of actions you're setting up today. For this process, we're going to use the Issue Transitioned trigger. This means that your rule will activate whenever a task moves to a designated status, such as To Do. It's a flexible option, allowing you to tailor the automation to fit the stages of your workflow precisely. Once your trigger is set, you'll add an action. This is where the exciting part happens. You'll select Create Subtask. This action will automatically generate subtasks under the main issue whenever the trigger you established is activated. Now let's fill in the details for these subtasks. Start with defining the summary or name for the subtask. Make this as descriptive and clear as possible. For example, you might use something like Write Test Cases. An intuitive name will ensure team members know exactly what each subtask entails at a glance. Next, provide a detailed description. Adding instructions or any relevant information here is pivotal, as it offers context for the person who will handle this specific subtask. Think of this as an opportunity to clarify expectations, reducing misunderstandings, and enhancing team efficiency. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Next. This will guide you towards the final steps of the setup. Ensure every aspect of the rule aligns with your goals, then proceed by clicking on Turn On Rule. At this juncture, your rule is almost ready to be live. The next step involves naming your rule. Choose a name that reflects its purpose or action easily. Then, determine who can edit this rule by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Sharing editing capabilities ensures that your team can update or alter the rule as necessary without bottlenecks. Finally, click on Turn On Rule to activate your newly created automation. And there you have it. This setup will now take your sprint planning to the next level by effortlessly breaking down tasks. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.